Hey, what's up everybody? I am in Laguna Beach, California, and we're about to build some kind of sea sand sculpture, thinking like a whale or something fun like that, maybe a shark, a fish. So let me show you what we're working with here. You can see how the water's coming up to about here when the bigger waves come in. So I'm gonna build it right in here, and I think I'm gonna take all this seaweed and kind of use it as filler. So we're gonna walk around and pick up some of the seaweed and kind of make the shape of a fish. I'm not feeling super ambitious with this today. Honestly running on a little bit of sleep here, so I'm not gonna make it too big and extravagant, but we're still gonna make something cool. So now we just gotta collect all the little pieces for it and then start putting the sand over it. I also chose some sand that's closer to the waves, which can be bad if the tide comes in and starts washing it away, and a lot of people don't get to see it, but it can be good because then you have the wetter sand, and the sand that has some moisture in it is easier to form and hold its position. So I'm taking a little bit of a gamble by doing it so close to the waves. It would just be for fun. There's a little sucker fish. Bloop. 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 That's the sound of it. Makes that blooping sound, you know? Here guys, check this out. This might be a little bit interesting. They got a lifeguard tower going up. It's a big old tractor driving on a beach. Kind of cool. Kind of entertaining. Check out this big chunk. Right, we got that basic outline going down. That's just gonna save me a lot of time and work because I'll just cover it up with sand. Just a lot of scooping and stuff. So found it easier just to put like driftwood or like seaweed or whatever big bulk items that's around in the middle, and then cover them up with the sand. So let's begin, shall we? Together. It's taking form, people. show you guys what we got so far. It's all coming together. Big old monster. So we're gonna build up the back a little bit, the front, and clean up the nose. And then just keep patting it down. If there was some good driftwood, I would like to put like a dorsal fin on here too. We'll see what we can do with what we got. All right, you guys, here's the big crazy sand shark or whatever the heck it is. Dolphin, squid, zebra, I don't know. But it's kind of cool, it's pretty cool. There's like a ton more I could do to it, but I still got a whole bunch of other stuff I gotta do today, so, or want to do, not got to, get to do. So I think I'm gonna call it right here, but it's pretty fun. It was a cool little project, and I think that a lot of these kids walking by are gonna enjoy it. Already some people stopped and talked about it and just enjoyed it. And I love that about creating these sculptures out of sand, is it just brightens people's day, even if they're a little bit silly and goofy, you know. Just makes people smile, and it kind of cleans up some of the black seaweed stuff on the beach. So win-win. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and check out my links in the description below. Got a whole bunch of amazing stuff from children's books to art, social media, Instagram, Patreon, all kinds of good stuff. And I'd love for you to join me on all the social media links below. And I'll see you next time on Will Brown Art. Bye.